Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, and all you other social medias out there. How you guys doing today? This is Saul Lujan, Mr. Alchemist, Mr. Esoteric Investor, Mr. Raise Your Frequency Up. Enjoying this Friday here at home with the kids and the family, doing what we do best, trying to help people, get them into houses, get them into cars, get them into startup businesses and stuff like that. So here we are with one of our clients that she gave us permission to show her. So there was a skeptic right now that he said that, oh, well, this must be a scam if you guys are able to do this. I go, no, it's not that we're a scam. It's that we're able to use technology. We're able to use speed. We're able to use internet. We're able to use all these tools that are here for our ability to grow and expand. So I wanted to show you guys after the report has gotten upgraded, now we're here able to remove the credit. So here we're going to go into the report real quick. So as you could tell, she's helping, she needs to remove it. So look, it tells you the addresses, tells you what she has balances on, not much. But this is the cool part. Just with a click of a button, we could take off that. Boom. Dispute that, dispute that. The system already generated what needs to be disputed. We already had a discussion after report of what had needed to be done. Boom. Look at that. So the system, it's already auto-populating, auto-creating, auto-expanding for her to be able to get all this removed. How cool is that? Huh? So, like I said, there's a lot of people that will be skeptics. There's going to be a lot of haters out there. But I'm showing you guys live proof on Facebook live, so you guys know that it's not being edited, it's not being monitored. But like I said, it is the ability to use the tools in our disposition. So if you guys want to know more, if you're interested, hit me up, send me a message, send me a text, click the link and set up your 15 free minutes consultation, and get this taken care of. I go, it's the end of the month special, man. You are worth the investment. Your businesses, your family is getting into a new house, a new car. That's worth the investment. So let's take care of you. Let's show you. And like I said, at the end of the day, you have nothing to lose besides bad debt, collections, charge-offs, but everything to gain because it's guaranteed by 100% money back guarantee. Talk to you guys soon, man.